I bumped into a stranger as he passed by. Oh, excuse me, please, was my reply. He said, please excuse me too. We went on our way. So the first answer, that I bumped into a stranger as he passed by. Bumped means hit. Okay, so was struck, a strike. So I bumped into a stranger means hit. I hit someone else, a stranger person, unknown person in the road or in the street. So he replied. So I give reply. So I gave reply. Oh, excuse me, please. And he said, please excuse me too. And he also give reply on the in the same way. And we went on our way. So thereafter we moved forward to our destiny, to our home. But at home, a different story is told. How we treat our loved ones, young and old. You know, but at home, it's something different way. You know, our parents, our elders are taught us, or teach us how to behave or how to treat others, our near dear loved ones, or our parents, or our elder ones, or our younger ones, how to behave at home and how to behave at outside the home. So it is a totally different. Yes or no? So later that day, cooking the evening meal, my daughter stood beside me very still. So later that day, on the same day, cooking the evening meal. So mother is cooking the meal for the kids. So her daughter stood beside me, next to him. Okay, beside next to her. When I turned, I nearly knocked her down. When I turned back, I nearly knocked her down. I saw that he knocked down to the mother. Move out of the way, I said with a frown. Frown means in an angry way. Okay, so mother give a reply in an angry way. Move out of the way. Okay, just go away from my face. So she walked away. Her little heart was broken. Obviously, she's the little ones. So when he saw that her mother giving reply as angrily, so he felt very broken and he walked away. I didn't realize how harshly I would spoken. Okay, I didn't realize how harshly I had spoken. Oh, mother. So mother realized herself. So he didn't realize also how harshly, how cruelly, how rudely I behaved to my daughter. That he didn't recognize, didn't realize it. Well, while I lay awake in bed, while I lie awake in bed, God's still small voice came to me and said, while dealing with a stranger, common courtesy you use, but the children you love, you seem to abuse. Okay, but while I lie awake in bed, while I'm going to sleep in the bed, so God's still small voice, here God's still small voice that refers to the her daughter's voice, came to me, her daughter came to her and said, while dealing with a stranger, common courtesy you use. Okay, while dealing with a stranger means while you are talking with someone unknown person at the outside, so you are dealing with a courtesy means well behave. You are showing your well behave, well mannered. But in the children you love, you seem to abuse. But the children that you love at home, your kids, your children, You always abuse them. Who told it is her daughter? Look on the kitchen floor. You will find some flowers there by the door. Look on the kitchen floor. You will find some flowers there by the door. Those are the flowers she brought for you. She picked them herself, pink, yellow, and blue. She stood quietly. She stood quietly, not to spoil the surprise, and you never saw the tears in her eyes. So look on the kitchen floor. Just look on the kitchen floor. You will find some flowers there by the door. So you can saw if you look at the kitchen floor, there some flowers are there that lying on the door. Those are the flowers that she bought for you. So those are the flowers that she brought for you. So she picked them herself. She picked them herself. There's something the different color flowers like pink, yellow, blue. She stood quietly. Okay, she stood quietly, silently. She stood, not to spoil the surprise, just not to dismiss or disgrade the surprise. And you never saw the tears in her eyes, and you didn't see the tears in her eyes. By this time I felt very small, and now my tears began to fall. And after heard these lines from daughter, he felt very small, and her tears her tears fall down from the cheeks to the ground. So he felt very heartbroken. I quietly went and knelt by her bed. Wake up, little girl, wake up, I said. I quietly went and knelt by her bed. So mother went back to the daughter and just knelt by the her bed and said, wake up, little girl, wake up. Are these the flowers you picked for me? Okay. So mother asked to the daughter, so are these the flowers that you picked for me? She smiled. I found them out by the tree. So she smiled and said, I found them out by the tree. I picked them because they are pretty like you. I knew you would like them, especially the blue one. So this is the quote. So these three lines of the daughter. I found them out by the tree. I find them near by the tree. I picked them because they are pretty, they are beautiful like you. I knew you would like them. And also I know that you would like them. And especially the blue one. I said, daughter, I am sorry for the way I acted today. I shouldn't have yelled at you that way. So thereafter, her mother replied, said, daughter, I am very sorry for the way that I have behaved to you. I treat to you. I shouldn't have yelled. Yelled means that you have to give you something shout that is from angrily someone else. So I shouldn't have yelled at you in that such a way, crude way, rude way. I am very sorry. She said, oh mom, that's okay. I love you anyway. So her daughter replied, oh mom, that's okay. I love you by all the way. But anyway, I said, daughter, I love you too. And I do like the flowers, especially the blue. And mother told, daughter, I love you too. And I do like the flowers, especially the blue. And mother said, I like the flowers, and especially the blue one that you also liked, and that's why you picked for me. Yes or no? So here is a full form of the family. So what are the each letter of the word family stands for? We have heard, we have came to know there are beautiful poem that given by the writer to us to know the value importance of the family value. Is you know the how we can convince a mother. So here is the word family. So in the word family, each and every letter stands for different qualities. F stands for father, A stands for and, stands for mother, I stands for I myself, L stands for love, Y stands for you. So it is no doubt work is worship, but it is necessary to look after the family too. So you must love, care, protect, and cooperate in the family to lead a happy and comfortable life. Isn't it? So it is no doubt the work is worship. We know work is God. Isn't it? Work is worship. But it is necessary to look after the family also. It's also about our duty to look after the family. So you must love, care, protect, cooperate, do such a affectionate to the family so that your family should lead a happy and comfortable, a very excellent and joyful life. Okay, so in this way we will finish our chapter family values. So so whatever you are learned in this chapter, try to treat your behavior, your manner to the younger ones, to the elder ones, to your parents, to the outside to the outsider should be in a proper way, in a courtesy way. Okay, so thank you students for being with me at the last of this video. I hope you understood well, very well, and you watched my both the videos of this chapter. So thank you again. So read the book again. If you have any doubt, you can text me so I can meet you with a new video, with new lesson, with a new exciting moral values. So till then, see you. Take care. Bye bye.